Well, hello there everyone, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman here, once again. Well, today's going to be a little eaty one again, I think. I was in Asda yesterday, and I found 4 BBQ Chicken Bao Buns. Now, they're not overly big, but they look alright. 4 spicy chicken bao buns, apparently. Heat to eat. So 100 grams. They were originally £2.50, but I found that magic yellow label on them, so they're only £1.50, which is great. Now, what's in them? Right, steamed buns filled with cooked shredded chicken mixed with vegetables and barbecue sauce topped with black sesame seeds. Sounds nice. There's wheat, sesame, soybean and mustard, which are your allergens. No artificial colourings, flavourings or hydrogenated fat. It's easy for me to say today. It's got red peppers in it. Can't really see them. I'm not a big pepper fan. I like chilies, don't like peppers that much. You can microwave it in 1 minute. Cook from chilled. Right, well I did that. Well, I will be doing that, I'll just take them out of the fridge. Remove all packaging, place buns on a microwavable plate, sprinkle with water, cover with cling film and pierce. Cook on full power, leave to stand for a minute before serving. It's a bit of a kerfuffle. What I think I'll do is just tear a wee bit off, sprinkle a wee bit of water on it and bung it in the microwave for a minute. Just quite a tough plastic by the feel of it. Doesn't matter, like it'll melt. So it peels apart nice and gently like that. Comes all off like that. Got a wee thingy of water here. There should be 2 in each section there, I think. That's near enough. I don't know how they fit them in there like, but I'll turn that one that way and that one kinda in there. Yeah, they fit like that, that's better. So a wee sprinkle of water, splashity splashity splash. A bit more on that one. Someone there, splashity splash. And someone there, trickly splashity splash. There we go. Got a wee drop on the bottom as well, just to steam up. Right, flickety flick. Put that back on like that. That looks alright. Microwave. So 1 minute. There we go. Move this out of the road. Let you see what's in it all. Like that. That's all the instructions and the foodie bits. And all the plastic stuff. And all the warning stuff. There we go. So it looks quite nice. So I hope you're all keeping well. If you like what I'm doing here, my videos and all that, I know they're a bit sort of, they're not all food, they're not all this, that or the next thing. There's a bit of a mix now getting in. If you like them, and you haven't already, there's a wee red button, which is either down there or down there, I can never work it out. Beside it there's a wee bell. If you hit the red button, hit the bell, and go to notifications, YouTube might even let you know when I'm putting these up. If you like them, if you hit the like button, it would be greatly appreciated as well. Leave a wee comment if you want, and I'll try and get back to you. And we'll take it from there. Now, you heard the bleeping. Now for the moment of truth. Did the plastic melt? Is it alright? Is it going to be red hot? plastic has slightly changed its way there a wee bit, but it's not a problem really, is it? Goes that like that, peel that over like that, and that's come off absolutely beautifully. That's what they look like. Let's get a selfie. They are absolutely red hot. I think 30 seconds would have done these. Wow. They're absolutely scorching. Right. I'm going to disappear for a minute, let them cool down just a touch. But for you it will be a nanosecond. Okay, then I'm back. I've just got myself a drink as well, so actually it's quite nice, this stuff. Tesco Orange Zero, citrus fizz, made bright and bubbly for sweet refreshment. Really nice. It's only 50p a can as well. Well, I don't know, but it's 4 for £1. That's 25p a can. It's even better. Ooh. That is really orangey and it's lovely. Right out of the fridge. So, back to these little bao buns, which have steamed themselves. Ah, jeez. Oh yeah, boy. That's even hotter underneath than on top. Jings, that's scorchio. But, we better give it a wee try. Ouch. It actually smells of peppers. And a little bit of barbecue. We'll see how this is. Looks like on the side. That's actually not bad. You don't taste the peppers as much. There's no spice in it at all. The buns are really fluffy. When you eat them, they just sort of collapse into nothing. Definitely getting a hint of barbecue coming through now. Right, the lid has actually come off this one. Wow, there's a heck of a lot of peppers in there. But, really strangely, you can smell them, but you can't taste them. That's weird. But great for me. Let's give this one another wee try. Because as I say, that was absolutely full of peppers. There's plenty of chicken in there. I mean, for the size of it, they're really good. At 25 grams each, that's the equivalent of a multi-pack bag of crisps. But these have so much more flavour and they're lovely. When you see all the chicken in there, you see how soft that bun is, how airy it is. They are lovely. Would I pay $2.50 for them? Probably not. I mean, they're nice, but are they $2.50 nice? Are they $1.50 nice? If I got them for £1, I'd have been even happier. But £1.50, they're actually not bad. And if they were reduced again, yes, I would have them definitely. That's a nice wee snack, that. Even though those black sesame seeds get right in your teeth. Still one in there. I'll get it later on though. It's annoying, but I'll get it. Right, I'm going to vanish just now. Thank you for watching. Greatly appreciated. Take care of yourselves, everyone. See ya.